In today's video, I'll show you how to change the color back to block link on blog post pages in Shopify Dawn theme. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select online store, then locate Dawn theme and then select customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on drop down, then select blog posts, then select default blog post. Then on the left side of the screen under template, click on the blog post, then expand the custom CSS section. We'll be adding the custom CSS rule right in here, but at first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the back to block link. Let's right click on it, then select inspect. Okay, let's take a look. We'll select the following class selector. It's article-template_link. Perfect. Let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type period article-template_link. Open left and right curly braces. Place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type color, colon, then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Let me get the hex code for the red color. Always make sure to copy the hex code, including the hashtag. Now let's go back to the editor and let's paste it right here. Once you add this rule, don't forget to save the changes. Let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the blog post page. Let's scroll all the way to the bottom, and as you can see, the back to block link is now in red. And this change will be reflected in other blog post pages. Let's take a look at another blog post. Let's go to blog. Let's open this one. And here's the change. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found useful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.